Guys, Dr. Ray Marque here, Back Pain Relief Center, Dr. Ray TV. We're here with Javante this morning. This is his last adjustment. He is going to the Marines. When do you leave again?
Officially Monday morning.
So I've been adjusting. How long have I been adjusting you now? Been a little while, right?
Yeah, 6-7 years.
Right? So he was like this big. I don't know, he's smaller, he's big and taller than me now. But we want to thank him for going to Marines, serving his country. We can't thank him enough. So we're going to fix him up. I know he's going to do well there. We're going to miss him having around here, but he adjusts real easy, so I want to show you guys how he adjusts him, and we're going to fix him up. Let's go face down. Little Javante's going to be a killer. All right, so first thing we're going to do is just use the adjusting instrument, loosen him up a little bit. This will be your first time out of New Jersey?
Yep.
As far as living and all that?
Yeah.
Good for you. How's your pop handling it?
He's alright.
Alright, yeah. How long is boot camp?
Boot camp's 3 months.
3 months.
July 24th and be back in October.
Alright.
And then I come back for 10 days and then I go to school at infantry in North Carolina.
Nice. Oh, that's Camp Lejeune, right?
Yep.
Right on. You gotta come down to Myrtle and see me, man.
I will.
Give you a break.
Yeah.
I'll show you around.
The Liberty off days, I'll try to take those over there.
Because you're only under 2 hours away. I told you this before, my brother-in-law was from right there. Deep breath for me. Let it all out. Good, nice and easy. Let's go on your side. So Javante doesn't have any specific problems, but we adjust him around once a month or so he doesn't get any problems. God, the other side. We'll be in boot camp for 3 months, so I don't think they offer this there, which I think they should, right? Maybe one day the government will bring chiropractic into the military. God, on your back for me for the shot. So when someone doesn't have a specific problem, we're kind of just decompressing the whole spine, manipulating the joint to increase his range of motion and prevent any adhesions or dysfunction from happening. Good, nice and light. Good. Come on up. We'll sit on the edge here. This is an anterior adjustment that we do for his mid-back here. Come on back. All right, so we want to thank you, brother, man. Good stuff. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.